Hello everyone, this is Patsy. I'm out riding tonight. I ain't got nothing else to do, so I'm just out riding down the little country road by myself to see what's going on. Any car come along, y'all gotta cut this light out. Y'all see anything in the videos, y'all let me know. Y'all watch now, this road is eerie. A lot of bridges on it too. Y'all hear anything? That's that wind noise. I got the window down with my light out. It's gonna be a short video. I ain't going too far. Whoa. What the heck? Y'all hold up. I don't want to step out here, but I got to. I gotta see what this is. Make sure ain't nothing out there. I do my seatbelt. Good. Y'all hold on. I don't know what this is. Ain't nothing coming. I gotta check this out. Ooh-wee. That is over there. Hope it stays. The heck? What in the world? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Somebody done stuck. Somebody done stuck a fake rooster up in this tree. You gotta be joking. Y'all, I ain't bright enough to think to do nothing like this. Look at that. Oh, step on a snake. Alright, y'all, that's just crazy. But I'm fixing to get back in the car because this is creepy. Oh, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Roll the window up. Yeah, y'all, somebody done stuck a ceramic, plastic, something up in the tree. If y'all like my videos, y'all like, share, subscribe. You can only find stuff like this out in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna lock my door. Y'all like, share, subscribe, and have a blessed day.